Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back into another crypto video. We're going to check out Gods Unchained today, play to earn. Cryptocurrency, it's gone absolutely parabolic over the last few days. We can see, just looking, we've came all the way down from that low of 0.025 up to $1. So we saw a massive price increase, and I think it's down to their new expansion Divine Order, where they've got new powerful cards that could be used in the game and enhance the gameplay and immersivity. And this has made a lot of people come back to the game, and it's put a lot of volume back into the game as well as network usage. So pretty exciting to say the least. I mean, look at this on the 1 hour time frame. We can see recently all the way from that 0.25 level down here, we came up to $1.51 before making a minor correction. And, you know, looking at this particular correction against the Fibonacci retracement, where we had the beginning of the impulse wave at around here, you can see we have corrected between that 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci level. So let's have a little look at the price prediction, what I think can effectively happen here with Gods Unchained. And this is it at the moment. We're putting through a lot of higher lows, higher highs, and we have just basically retested that 20-day moving average on this 4 hour time frame. We did see rejection on the bull market support band up here at the $1.51 level, but we also saw a bit of a bearish divergence as the RSI came down as the price was coming up. So we do expect slight pullbacks when this happens on the relative strength index. So as we were saying before, between that 0.5 and that 0.618 Fibonacci level, we're getting nice bounce off the 20-day moving average, and we're skating along it as support as we speak. Right now, it does look like a big descending triangle. So we could effectively see a price movement to the downside in the short term. But, you know, if we do get that pump to the upside, again, we're going to be coming back up to around that $1.50 level. Should we lose the support of this descending triangle, we will be looking at a bearish price target of around about here, around about $0.43. If we do see that play out, of course. The RSI is coming down now, but we are holding pretty steady at this 0.87 level. So I am actually very bullish long term. And the fact that it's already partnered with Coinbase and other major exchanges and things like that, we can expect that this project is going to have some big all-time highs in the future. If we just quickly remove some of these drawings, we came all the way down from that $8.67 level. Now I would imagine that if you were to hold this project for some time, and we assume this is the market cycle bottom, we will be looking at much higher price targets beyond $10, looking at $11, $12.50, and the golden pocket ratio at $14.32 for this particular project. So yes, we have had a bump at the resistance over here. The next resistance level can also be at this particular swing high over here. So basically the short-term target right now is that if we do break to the upside of this descending triangle, which is typically a bearish pattern, we should see ourselves come up to about $1.89. And of course on the downside potential, we can come down, revisit some of these lower swings. We do have this particular support level to look at first, being $0.69. We also have this swing low at $0.62. We also have this particular level at $0.46. These are potential buy zones, entry zones to buy into Gods Unchained. As you can see, buy at 0.46, you can buy at 0.62, you can buy at 0.69 if we lose the support. Of course, if you're looking to trade this, a long position would be waiting for the breakout on this 0.94 descending triangle. And if you get the nice volume confirmation, you want to see a breakout and then a retest of support and then continuation to the upside, just like that, guys. So if you want to grab some Gods Unchained today, feel free to use the link in my description right at the top. Best place to grab some Gods Unchained. Now, why is all of this happening? Well, a bit of fundamental analysis really. Gods is pumping ever since the announcement to add royalty fees for Gods Unchained NFTs listed on OpenSea and other secondary NFT marketplaces in conjunction with their new expansion pack Divine Order. The rewards for creators are now improved, and the developers also announced the Gods staking pool will receive part of the royalties. That adds incentive to buy and stake Gods and basically hold it, and is a way to make the Gods ecosystem more sustainable. The Gods Unchained game is partnered with Coinbase, Galaxy Digital, Nevada Capital, and other investment funds, so it's likely not going to vanish at any point in time soon. This means they have cash reserves for investments, development, marketing, PR, all these juicy things that keep the crypto projects running even through bear markets. Now, what else is happening? Well, BLX, let's have a look at it. It looks like we have now put in a bottom for cryptocurrency, so it makes me very bullish again. If we look at the crypto RSI in general, you can see we're now back below. So this was 2018 bear market, 2015 bear market. You can see the opposite is the bull market scenarios. So it looks like, overextension, 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 lots of greed, euphoria. Here we got lots of fear in the market, bear market, bear market, bear market. Now it looks like it's a pattern that will play forward in the future. If you were to hodl for the long run, boom, you're going to come back up, maybe in 2024, maybe in 2025. That's what we're speculating here. And that's what I personally believe is going to happen. Now, on the note of play to earn projects, I also want to highlight this one to you that I've been looking at. Lucky Block crypto games and giveaways. It has gone parabolic over the last few days. If we look at the month, we were bottomed out at $0.0008, and already we came up to this 0.28 and this 0.00027 level. So keep an eye on Lucky Block, guys. I've shown this one on the channel a few times, but it is one that I'm accumulating more of slowly but surely, as I believe this will at least hit 0.05, perhaps even this year. Sorry, 0.005, perhaps this year. Looking retrospectively, definitely a level we can come up to, $0.005. Check that one out. I'll leave a link in the description below as well, and the comments if you want to look at Lucky Block Crypto. So before we go, we're going to look at the crypto market, bit of an overview. Bitcoin is up 2.6 on the weekly market capitalization. Ethereum is up 2.3%, looking extremely good. So we're holding that 30.4k level at the moment. Ethereum is also back above $2,000, another key psychological level. And we also have the triple merging event, which should be coming out soon, which will help the project become more deflationary, constricting its level of supply that goes into the ecosystem. Fear and greed at the moment, guys, well, we're sitting pretty low. 10 on the fear and greed index, so this does indicate mass fear, which is usually a good time to accumulate cryptocurrency. Not financial advice, of course, but extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried, thus could be a buying opportunity. Dollar cost average, don't put all your capital in, but you're building a long-term portfolio to maybe actually take profits from in 2025 and beyond. That's my particular investment strategy. So if you wish to open an exchange today, use the links down below, guys. Head over to Lucky Block, take a little look at that as well. Make sure you join my Discord channel. There's about 250 people in here at the moment, and I'm sure you would like to connect with them. So come and say hello in that Discord. Make sure you head on over to the Twitter as well. I have a $100 giveaway, which will be ending basically tomorrow. So quickly get yourself over there. You can enter by just simply subscribing to my YouTube right now, doing the tweet thingies, or just simply comment down below, and I'll also consider that an entry. It's got to that stage now, guys. Thank you for the watch. Stay crypto safe. Bye now.